Hey guys, welcome back to Three Rivers Survival. I'm going to show you as a prepper how to get all of this food on the cheap. Stick around. Alright guys, if you're like me, you have noticed that the food prices are astronomical. I live in a major city. I live in New York City. I know someone's going to say move out. Go ahead, put the comments down below. It only helps the algorithms. I really appreciate it anyway. What we're going to do today is we are going to go over this stuff. I'm going to show you how I bought everything here for under $1. So every single can that you see here is under $1. Now I like to buy canned goods because basically they're good indefinitely. That means as long as the can isn't broken, the seal hasn't been broken, or the can is not dented, then it's good for indefinitely. Now there is a date on it, and a lot of people will throw out their food. Do not throw out their food. Basically what that means is the food might not taste as good, or it might change in color, that kind of thing, but it is safe and edible to eat. So basically these canned goods are good indefinitely, which is outstanding if you're someone like me that's a prepper. Now, I'm going to tell you all the stuff that I got from Amazon Fresh. Of course, I blacked out a lot of the personal information. I really love you guys. I love that you guys watch every week, but you know, I kind of want to maintain some anonymity. So, all right, so here's what we got. We got 20 pieces of Vienna sausage. These are these little tiny cans. I think they were like 59 cents. We have 20 pieces of Del Monte fresh corn. All right, these are the smaller cans. We have 20 pieces, 10 pieces of our Moore's Treat. This is basically the fake Spam. If you haven't noticed, this was less than $1, and now they're $1.77. A can of regular Spam is $5. $5, that's insane for Spam. And we all know that Spam's not the best nutritional value, but it is calories, and if you're a prepper and you're on a budget, this is where you need to be. Chef Boyardee, I have 3. I have 10 of each version. So Chef Boyardee beef ravioli, 15 ounce. Beefaroni, okay, that's good. And I also got spaghetti and meatballs, because why not? I also got these, what are these packets? Knorr or Knorr, herb and garlic butter. I also got another 10. Now this is kind of the way it works, guys. I'm going to show you on the computer in a second, but stick around. Here's how it works. If you are an Amazon member, it's very simple. You sign up, you go to Amazon Fresh. Amazon Fresh, what it does is it's a grocery delivery service. If you order over $50, it's absolutely free for shipping. Okay, so you don't pay shipping. And actually on here, they charged me $9.99 for shipping, and because I spent over $50, they refunded me the $9.99 immediately. You will also get same-day shipping. Same-day shipping also depends on your area. Obviously, Amazon has to get all this food and products and put them together, put them in a bag, and hire a driver to get it to you, but that's kind of Amazon's job. Now, the way it works is within the same day. So I ordered all this food yesterday. Yesterday was February the 28th. I ordered this food at, I want to say 8 o'clock in the morning, and I got it by 5 p.m., all this food. And again, like I said, I paid less than $1 per item. All right, now I'm not a couponer. I'm not somebody that's cutting coupons. I'm not doing any of that crap. I'm just going to show you the way that I do it on Amazon, and this is how you're going to save money. All right, guys, so very simply, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go to Amazon Fresh. Now, I did log out of my account just so I can show you. All right, Amazon Fresh looks a little bit different because it is in a green bar instead of the average yellow. And the only difference here is that I do not have a location. So it'll tell you Amazon Fresh is not available for this location. To continue, please choose an address. Again, items will vary depending on where you live, depending on what's available to you. I will say that if you're going to go to Amazon Fresh, that you have a whole bunch of stuff on sale, you can scroll through here and check all that stuff out. A lot of the stuff is actually very reasonably priced. The best part is you don't have to leave your house. You don't have to pay for shipping because the food is actually being purchased through you, through Amazon. They're doing the shopping for you based on your items that you require, and it gets to your house within the same day, which is actually pretty awesome. So here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say that I'm looking for food, obviously, right? Now I try to stick to canned goods. Again, for me personally, I find that it is a lot easier, a lot more stable. And again, buy the stuff that you want, but we're looking at long-term storage. That's what we want. So all I do is in Amazon Fresh, I usually just hit canned foods. Okay, so canned. There's another way to search this. I'm not really getting into it, but there's another way to search it. If you look over here on the side, all right, what I'm looking for, Amazon Fresh, it says search any department. You can see some of the items already that came up is $1.29, $1.99. This one right here, 99 cents. Pork and beans, I would definitely throw that in the cart. Things like Happy Belly is actually made from Amazon, and you would have to get it shipped from Amazon. So I would tend to stay away from those if you want it in the same day. If you don't want it in the same day, then just do the Happy brand, and they are cheaper. They are 79 cents, so that's actually pretty cheap, and we'll work with that. All right, so if that's what you want. Now over here, you'll see where it says under price, minimum price, maximum price. I'm gonna put 99 cents and then hit go. So 99 cents comes up. Again, I'd say stay away from the carrots to all this stuff. Happy Belly, again, if you want to want it in the same day. Things that they would have, like pork and beans, good, put it in a cart, right? So let me just see if I can grab it real quick. Freshness, ingredients, okay, all that kind of stuff. And again, it's not giving me a selection because I don't have a delivery location. If you put your home address in there, it will say add to cart. Most of the time, it will limit you to 10 items. Sometimes you can do 2 10s, or sometimes you can do 20. But just take a look. 99 cents, Chef Boyardee, 15 ounces, excellent. SpaghettiOs, right? This is all stuff that my kid will definitely eat. Del Monte, no salt, right? Corn, 99 cents. This Snap and EBT, that's for people that are of low income and on a system, then you can buy that as that as well. I don't know too much about it. I just know that Snap EBT is eligible. That means that they get a stipend every month and you can purchase those items. I'm not on welfare or on any government program, so I have to buy cash, okay, or through my Amazon card. So what you have here is, again, sweet peas, tomatoes, stewed tomatoes, that kind of thing, potted meats. All right, so buy the things that your kids, yourself, you would probably get. Now what I would do is, if I wanted this looks good, right? No fat chili green and lime, all right? I would add 10 automatically and drop it in the cart and then check out. All right guys, let me pull you back up and we'll finish up. Alright guys, like I said, you really can't go wrong. I'm spending less than $1 per can. If you look at all these items here, I can make a whole entire meal for my family. It would last quite a long time. And we have to be trendy because things in the world are going sideways, and you guys know it. If you are somebody that's into prepping, you know what's going on. I would stay away from the MRE purchases unless you have a really good vendor. MREs are out of control right now. Like I said, the regular Spam is $5 for Spam, really. This was less than $1. Also, the pre-prepared meals, if you can get them on the cheap, then yes, absolutely. But I'm talking about stuff that my family will eat. I know my kids and my family will eat all of this, especially why wouldn't they want Chef Boyardee? A lot of times the supermarkets want to get rid of this stuff, so they just drop the prices. So you just have to be kind of on it. Every month, every month or every paycheck, take a look on Amazon Fresh. Do what I told you. Put in canned food. Scroll down, put 99 cents, hit search. You might be surprised what you can find. Alright guys, if you find this information useful, please like, subscribe, share, put that information down below. Anything that you want to tell me you think I messed up on, I'm sure that's what the internet is good for. And as always guys, please stay safe.